Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share how I make my art prints with you guys. This is the most asked questions on my Instagram. You guys have been asking me, how do you make your art prints? How do you sell them? How do you print them? How do you scan them? How do you package them? And I would love to share what I use, what kind of equipment I use and materials I use, and how you want to make print really depends on your work, because my work is very colorful and they have a lot of colors and textures that I really want it to be vibrant on my print, and I want my print to look just like my original art. They've been pretty popular in my shop, and I think it is because everybody loves art, and I think they really like print because they're affordable. They're cheaper than t-shirts or a bag, or I don't know, they're just cheaper than a lot of things. And I like selling it because I think it is the best way of knowing that, oh, people love my artwork and they want to hang it on their wall, which is a huge compliment for me. And before I start, I just want you to know that this is just how I do it, and there are many different ways that you can do it. And for my shop journey, I tried many different things. At first, I didn't have the right materials. I didn't have money to spend on quality papers. So it really depends on your budget, but for artists, it is a lot of money to just invest in the beginning. And I did my research, and I hope this can be helpful for you guys. And please subscribe if this is any way helpful for you guys. I'll have to do more videos and it really helps me. And yeah, let's get started. Currently I make a small print and then a big print. So the big print is 13 by 19 inch and the small one is a letter size print. Okay, so these are my machines, my scanner and my printer. It's a little bit messy here, but I had these guys for a really long time. I had these guys for about 5 years, and they have been essential for my everything. Scanning my artwork, printing zines, printing prints, so yeah. And I always scan and I never photograph it. And you have to make sure you scan at least at 300 dpi. But for this one, since I am making a large print, I scanned it at 450 dpi. And then I put it on Photoshop and I do adjust my levels, saturations, and size so it fit to the letter size that I want. And I'm going to show you how I print them. I usually go to print and do print setting, and it depends on your printer, but I have this print quality option and I usually set it to fine and hit save and print. And this takes a little bit slower to print, but it really have fine texture, fine quality. It's looking really nice. and every time I use this printer, it really does like a great job. I am also going to print, and for this one I want to print borderless, and you can also have a option on print setting. And the reason I do borderless print is because I really don't like the white edge on my bigger prints. For a big borderless print, it takes about like 5 to 10 minutes, and it's kind of fun watching it print. Okay, so for shipping, I use this. This is called Stay Flat Mailer for shipping a small print, and for a large print, I am using a tube. I am going through my packaging that I bought a long time ago, but I am planning to change my packaging to this brand called Eco Enclose. And they are a eco-friendly brand, and I kind of wish that I knew it before about it. And the Stay Flat Mailer, I have 5 of these left, so I will be able to replace them. And the reason I use this mailing tube is because I am, just like when it's like big, like Stay Flat Mailer like this, I am a little bit afraid that it will be easier to get bent. So I really like using this tube. So far nobody has been complaining, but if you kind of have a complaint about it, just let me know. Yeah, I think I'm going to do another video about how I ship different products, and that will be how I pack and ship different products, and that will be in a different video. Hopefully I can make it soon and be like, go to this video, but right now it's in a planning stage. And I will give you a little tour of what I have made so far in my new house. This is a large print. I actually made this last year during quarantine. So that's it guys. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Subscribing to my channel will mean so much to me because I really want to be a YouTube star. And yeah, please comment on what you want to know. I am about to hit 500 subscribers. Until next time, goodbye guys, and thank you so much for showing up. Bye!